Rua de Encosta 山边开 Travessa de Encosta 山边红 Rua Leste de Encosta 山边东街 Streets by the hillside Streets by the hillside Streets of Macau Ruas de Encosta
Rua de Encosta. I haven't filmed in here in a long time. I'll try to explain to you why. But there's some interesting stuff in here. This is kind of near, there's some old casinos in this area. We're not too far from Grand Lisboa Casino. This goes down to the China, you can do your visa services for China. And we're gonna walk down the street and we're kind of following this whole little thing up here. And I'll try to explain what's up there and where we're at as well. Has to do with land reclamation, by the way. And let's put this up on the map before we begin. And yeah, we could actually walk on that way, but we're gonna end up over there anyways in a little bit. So stay tuned. Up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Yeah, actually, as an aside, there's actually there's Grand Lisboa Casino, and then there's actually an elevator that goes up here that connects you up to this hill. São Januário Hospital is up there. It's a little hard to see, but we're gonna follow this back street and then I'll explain exactly what's going on. But we are in what is now reclaimed land, and they've labeled it, it's either, I think it's Zape, I think, Nape or Zape, and you can actually see all of these little things because the ocean used to come up to here, and then now you can like all this would have probably been where the ocean was at, and they reclaimed it all. And there's Grand Lisboa Casino. Okay, let's walk this way a little bit. We'll just kind of see what we can see. Looks like I think a school or something like that. Okay, so we're gonna follow this Rua de Encosta, and yeah, all of this once had the ocean overlapping it, and if you keep following it all the way up, there'd be Gia Lighthouse way down, quite not too close to here, but let's see what else is in here. Can't remember all that's in here exactly. Okay, we also have Travessa de Encosta right there. So I think I'm going to be walking down that one in a moment, and we're going to combine it, and that one's directly here. And then our Rua continues here. And then I think if we kept walking down, we would not sure exactly what's in there, but we also have our Travessa, so we're gonna continue to walk down this way. And then I think down there it's kind of a dead end, so the street goes a little bit further, and then there's some more rock as well. And I don't 100% know what's down there exactly. Maybe we'll just look just briefly. Oops. Okay, so it looks like there's actually another street here. So I'll probably come back around this way in a moment. Okay, so let's check out the rock formation, right? So let's go down our Travessa, and then we're gonna come back down the other street and come back up again. And it has the same name, Travessa, which is like alley, and then the other one was Rua, which is street. So that's the name of this Travessa de Encosta. And then we have some apartments down in this area, and there's also a school. So I'm gonna cross. It's a Sunday today. That's the name of the school. Huito. We'll just keep on walking all the way down. Huh. Looks like they have like basketball for kids. Huh. So yeah, it looks like a little bit of a kids basketball thing right up there. Kiseki basketball. Okay, so there's actually some kind of cool art stuff in there. You can see a mask in the window. And yeah, this particular street right here, I haven't been over here in quite a while. But there is something called the Macau Art Garden. There's our target street again. So yeah, this is the art garden right here. I think I have labeled it, I'll attach it to the bottom, but actually this whole place is the Macau Art Garden. So I guess it's let me see what this says here. Bike is just a machine, it's an emotion. Let's just kind of check it all out. I think it might be closed today, but that would be actually the entrance into it, and it's kind of an art space. And there's the name right there, Macau Art Garden. So we could actually walk in, and I have filmed it before, but I'm not going to film it inside today because it is private property. But that's right here next to Encosta. And I'm going to connect that to the last time I was here, because I used to label it, and it's been a long time. I think I did walk in it before as well. That's kind of our street right there, and then you can see Sao Januario Hospital up there. And then we're going to walk down a little bit further, because I think the other one is another Encosta. It's a Japanese restaurant right there. I haven't been over here in a long time. And it looks like this is also called Rua de Encosta. There's some hotels over here. Holiday Inn, for example. A few of them down in that area. So, okay. And then down that way, I think that one, I saw before. I think it's something to do with a connection between Portugal and China. I think it's something like friendship, or some has some kind of reference like that. Here's the Super Royal Supermarket, and we're gonna go directly into here. And yeah, we have the Royal Supermarket, so that's some shopping for people that live in this area. And then directly ahead, Sao Januario Hospital. Looks like there's actually a bakery, and you can go up inside as well. Okay. So we're going to go to the right, and it looks like this is actually called Rua de Encosta, and that's Rua Leste de Encosta. So I guess we'll label it with all three. Now we're back in our alley. Then yeah, this one is Rua Leste de Encosta. And then I believe the street is going to end up here. So we'll go all the way to the ending. See what that sign says. Check out some of the trees. I guess it's another school right here as well. So yeah, these billboards you all overlook. You can see some stuff way in the distance up there with like some housing up there. So yeah, that's kind of an interesting street. And you could actually drive. There's like stuff right there you can see at the roadside. The Grand Prix goes by that as well. Goes up on those roads. But you can actually drive it and kind of park and overlook and see the Zape area. But anyways, Rua Leste de Encosta. And that's what it looks like from this particular angle. So another little sights of Macau that you might not have known. There's Holiday Inn again up there. So it gives you some context of where we are exactly. Yeah, imagine the ocean used to come right up to here where we were walking, and that was all kind of slowly reclaimed from the ocean. So all these rocks would have had ocean coming up against them for a long time. Anyways, and Grand Lisboa in the background there as well. Check out that bike. Okay, so we're gonna end our video. So another sights of Macau there, the Encosta streets. Pretty cool.